In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account on Udemy. Whether you're planning to dive into a new learning experience, pick up a new skill, or just satisfy your curiosity about a subject, having a Udemy account will help you on your educational journey. Let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Udemy homepage. For those unfamiliar with it, Udemy is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. So let's begin this process and get you connected to an array of courses that could enhance both your personal and professional growth. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page, where you'll find the Sign Up button. Clicking on this will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a few simple details to create your account. You have the option of entering your name and email manually, but Udemy also offers convenient options to streamline this process. You can choose to sign up directly using your Google, Facebook, or Apple credentials. This can be a great time saver, not to mention it makes logging in future visits easier as you won't need to remember yet another username and password. Once you've chosen your method for signing up, go ahead and fill out the necessary fields. If you've decided to enter your information manually, make sure that everything is spelled correctly and your email is active and accessible, as Udemy will use this for transaction confirmations and important notifications. If you're using one of the social media options, click the corresponding button and you'll be walked through the process to connect your Udemy account with your selected service. After completing the sign-up form with your preferred method, look for the Sign Up button at the bottom of the page. This will submit your details to Udemy and complete your account creation process. After clicking this button, all you need to do is check your email for any verification messages and you're all set. You now have full access to Udemy's extensive catalog of courses. With your account created, you can now begin exploring the vast selection of courses Udemy offers across various categories. Whether you're interested in technology, business, arts, or even personal development, you'll find courses tailored to your needs and skill level. You can bookmark courses, add them to your cart, or even start a wish list for future learning. In summary, creating an Udemy account is a simple and convenient way to open the door to a whole world of learning opportunities right at your fingertips. Enjoy exploring Udemy's rich library, and be sure to take your time to find courses that excite you and help you achieve your learning goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy learning!